Welcome back to another episode on my channel, guys. Thank you for joining me. So today we're going to be looking at an impact wrench. So I've been looking at impact wrenches for quite some time on various sources online, eBay, other websites and so forth, because you know, trying to get a tire off these days is hard work if you're just using the usual kind of standard kind of spanners and stuff. So you can get impact wrenches online ranging from £25 on to hundreds and hundreds of pounds. Obviously, I'm not a professional, so at first I was looking at the ones on eBay for £25, but I did loads of research online and realised that they don't seem like they're going to do the job. So then I found one online, on eBay actually, but it's a branded one. Here, I'll show you. So it's a Draper one, Draper Storm Force. It's branded, so you'd think it's some sort of reasonable quality. It's 20 volts battery, and it comes with a few accessories like drill bits and things like that. So I've not opened this yet, so I'm going to open this now. So let's open this and see what's inside. Right, on first impression, it's quite heavy, which is a good sign, I guess. 20 volt battery, which should last quite a bit. It feels quite sturdy. It is quite heavy, guys. Look at this. So you get your drill instructions, battery charger, don't know what that is yet. And you get your drill bits as well. So you got, this is quite handy because you don't want to be buying these separately, but you can get like a box of 30 different sizes on Temu for like £20 and whatnot. But again, you don't know what kind of quality they are. So you got 23mm, 19, 21, and 17. I think standard wheel locking nuts are 17, so this one's crucial. So let's get this charged up, and I'll take you outside and let's try it on the car for the first time and see what it's all about. Okay, see you in a bit. Alright guys, we're outside, we've got the 17mm, and I just seen to clip it on, it's simple locking nut. Simple as that. Let's try it on this car. Make sure it's in reverse. Simple as that. Wow, that was quick, wasn't it? Didn't expect that. Let's try putting it back in. Put it in forward. That is quite impressive, guys. Right. I'm just putting this back for now, but remember to torque this. Right, back inside, guys. That was impressive, wasn't it? I didn't expect that. I thought it'll whiz around quite a few times before the nut came off, but that was really impressive. So I'm really happy with this. Really, really happy. So let's talk about how much this cost. As I said at the beginning of the video, you can get impact wrenches from eBay for about £25, but I don't think there'll be anything like this. And they range from several £100s. This one, with this kit, the charger, 4 accessories, $89.99. It was from eBay, but it was from a reputable seller. So I'll put the link in my description below. All right, thanks for watching. Hope this helps.